hindi ba ito isang scam o tahasang panlililag sa
Argumentative,
pera ng
Your
taong
Honor.
bayan?
Argumentative. Your
Counsel, it's not only argumentative, but kindly use appropriate language as well inside this court.
Your Honor, may we move to strike that last question, Your Honor, for being impertinent, Your Honor.
It's very much pertinent.
I tend to agree with counsel for the respondent. The word scam is stricken from the record. It did not come from the witness's mouth. Kindly reform a bit, counsel. I think I know where you're getting at too. And you've
That
said
would
it
be all
anyway.
for the prosecution for this witness, Your Honor.
Yung naimungkahi ko po yun kay Ma'am BP Sara at saka kay Asik Ortonio. And then, naisabi ko din yun kay Colonel La Chica.
Okay. Naimungkahin nyo kay VP Sara yung 4 na traveling bags. Yung tanong, ano ba yung naging tugon ng Vice President pagkatapos mong imungkahi sa kanya yung 4 na traveling bags na ito?
Nagsabi lang po siya na okay.
Okay.